Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Topi Manalo, and today we are going to install something. I would like to show you and share with you yung bago kong purchase na solar lamp sa Shopee online. I got this online. Actually, patong ko nga ito dito. Yan. So kung matatandaan nyo doon sa previous video natin, nag-install ako ng Ecolum Firefly Ecolum na solar lamp na 100 watts. And a lot of viewers are looking at it and commenting na may mas maganda daw na klase na mas sulit, mas mura and all. And ano naman tayo sa mura, sa sulit, dun tayo. Kaya I tried checking it out and ito nga yung nakita ko. So this brand here, kita ba? Yan. So this is the Bosca solar flood lamp. I got this sa Shopee. This is a 50 watt IP67. So yung model niya is BS-T as in Tango 50. Sabi nila mas mura daw to and mas sulit. Mas malakas yung battery life and mas matibay siya. Well, hindi natin malalaman ng isang bagay kung hindi natin titestingin. Kaya naman na kumuha ko dahil kung natatandaan nyo, yan yung solar na binili natin din sa Shopee na sablay, palpak. I got that for 749 pesos na kesyo 4,000 watts daw. Gago! I mean, I've learned my lesson and sa inyo na rin yung mga bumibili, nagbabalak bumili, tips sa inyo, huwag kayong maniniwala dun sa mga thousands of watts na nakalagay kasi hindi siya rated. Definitely, maloloko lang kayo. Kaya I'd say, kung kukuha kayo ng mga solar lamp or solar lights, floodlights, siguraduhin yung wattage na nakalagay is rated like this one. Ayan, no? Mga realistic 50 watts, 30 watts, 25 watts, 100 watts. Kasi 100 watts medyo mataas na yun for a solar lamp or solar floodlight. Okay, so I'll go ahead, I'll replace that with this and papakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura. By the way, this lamp comes with this solar panel. So according to this solar panel, this is the BS-T50. It is an 8 watt 6 volt 1 amp panel. It has an open circuit voltage of 7.2 volts. Tapos ang maximum power current niya, impedance is 1.2 o 1.12 amperes. But itatabi ko muna to, hindi ko muna siya gagamitin. Susubukan kong gamitin yung panel nung nasa taas kasi nasa taas, that one, mas malaki siya kumpara dito. I think that one is a I don't know what's the size of that, but definitely it's bigger kasi this one is I think this is a 12 by 18 centimeter. Probably that one is a 15 by 25 or 26 centimeter. Subukan kong yun muna ang gamitin. Now, kung medyo pangit yung charging niya, I can always go back with this one, with the original. Also, this is the remote that comes with the unit. Simple lang siya. On, off, auto, tapos 3 hours, 5 hours. Wala siyang ibang buttons like yung mapapababa mo yung power or mapapataas mo yung power. But it's okay. I mean, this is what I need. Power it on, power it off. Automatic yung pagka dumilim, mamamatay siya, magbubuhay. And may timer siya na 3 hours tsaka 5 hours. So ikakabit ko. Tapos it comes with the screw, it comes with the deadbolt and everything. Pero hindi ko nagagamitin kasi meron ng mga butas na pagkakabitan doon. Okay, so steady lang kayo dyan. Yun guys, so natanggal na natin yung lumang flood lamp, and apparently hindi ko pala pwedeng gamitin yung solar panel niya kasi magkaiba sila ng plug. Ayan o. So yung bago natin, yung Bosca, ang plug ng solar panel niya is female connector. Yung nandun na panel, ang connector niya is male connector. So hindi pwede kasi male connector yung receiving end eh. Kaya akit ulit ako, papalitan ko yung solar panel nung original niya na panel. Steady lang ulit kayo.
Later.
And guys, so naikabit na natin yung solar lamp doon sa taas. Medyo maraming challenge. Ayan, nanakit yung braso ko kasi naka-ukyabit ako doon eh. Pero it's working. Yan. It's working naman. It has an indicator lamp ng kanyang charge kung ilan, parang may 5 bars siya na habang nagbi-blink, ibig sabihin it's charging. So ngayon it's at 4th bar na nagbi-blink. So medyo kita niyo naman yung langit, makulimlim, so hindi natin alam kung mapupuno siya ng punong-puno. Kaya we'll see mamayang gabi syempre kung ano magiging itsura niya tsaka yung bato ng ilaw niya. Kaya for now, okay na to, magliligpit na ako. Yan, magliligpit na ako, and mamaya titignan na lang natin kung ano ang magiging output.
The next day.
So ayan na guys, ang ilaw or liwanag ng ating Bosca. It's working properly. By the way, hindi ko siya muna binuksan kaagad kasi hinayaan ko muna siyang mag-charge. So parang pangalawang araw na to ngayon para makapag full charge kasi nakita nyo naman doon sa earlier video natin, medyo makulimlim yung langit. Kaya yan, ngayon meron siyang 5 LED na red lights indicating na full charge na siya. And yan, ito yung bato ng ilaw niya, yung bagsak ng ilaw niya. And ito lang naman yung gusto namin. I'm really happy for it. Kung hindi ko makuha yung tamang settings ng camera, pero if we're going to explain it, yung liwanag niya is saktong-sakto lang. And honestly, comparable siya dito sa ilaw na binibigay ng ating Firefly. Ayan, nagniningning talagang sa video, parang Firefly eh, no? Pero yan, yung setting ng Firefly natin eh 50%. So sakto lang siya, maliwanagan lang yung harap ng natin, ng bahay, para pag lumalabas, para pagka sumisilip and everything. And this light, I believe, can last until tomorrow pag kagat ng liwanag. Pagkagat ng liwanag, once na sumikat na yung araw, mag-auto turn off yung ilaw natin, and it still has, I think, para mga dalawang bar doon sa indicator lamp. So overall, I think mukhang sulit naman yung Bosca. I think tama yung ating mga subscribers na sulit siya compared dun sa Firefly. Sulit din siya. Hindi ko sinasabing mas sulit siya dahil di ko pa natetesting talaga, pero mukhang sulit din siya because of the light that it's showing. And I think yung build quality matibay and mukhang magtatagal siya. So if you're going to ask me, is it recommended? I'm recommending it. Hope you like this video. Sana may natutunan kayo. Pahit na lang ng thumbs up button. Also, kung meron kayong question, comments, or suggestion, sulat nyo na lang dyan and babasahin ko yan. And syempre, ang pinaka-importante, if you are new to my channel, I would like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for more updates. Again, maraming salamat po. Topi Manalo. Until next time, kita-kits po tayo. Bye-bye.